Greetings everyone and welcome. My name is Peter Smith. I'm a Senior Manager with TE Connectivity in Sales Support.
And I'm Randy Wu, an Embedded Solutions Engineer at Microchip Technology.
And I'm Michael Lamp. I support the enablement of devices into IoT Connect at Avent.
Today we want to talk about a demonstration device for HVAC systems. There's a revolution underway right now in HVAC where sensors and controls are being added to systems to monitor various aspects of system operation. TE Connectivity has developed sensors that are specifically designed to look at the operation and the flow of air in ductwork. And what we're doing is not only looking at the airflow, but we're monitoring filters for debris and blockage. We're controlling variable air volume dampers, and we're also detecting leaks in these systems. The addition of these sensors and the control systems provides a new way of managing HVAC systems to reduce the amount of power that they use. In buildings today, HVAC takes about 40% of the total building power, and the addition of these controls and systems actually reduces that by a factor of 40%. So I'm going to turn it over to Randy, and he can talk a little bit about the details of the demo system that we have here that shows how this works.
Thanks, Pete. So looking at the demo platform, the main board used here is Microchip's WFI32 IoT development board. This board features a fully Azure certified module containing an SoC that integrates a high-performance MCU, a Wi-Fi radio, and a secure element that's pre-provisioned for connecting to cloud platforms like Microsoft Azure. Then we add sensor boards manufactured by MikroElektronika, a maker of hardware and software tools for embedded systems development. The two sensor boards that we use here are the ultra-low press click and the variable air volume press click boards. Both use pressure sensors by TE Connectivity. This system connects to Avent's IoT Connect platform.
So bringing together technologies is exactly what we're doing with the IoT Connect platform. In this demo, the WFI32 MCU only sends telemetry data once the security is verified on the truss and go. So that security management piece is a key differentiator and what we're truly trying to accomplish with the IoT Connect platform. Experiences like what you see here are built using an integrated dynamic dashboard in the platform. With this, the user can define how the data is viewed through widgets, whether that's graphs, charts, maps, bar graphs, or whatever that might be. And then then users within the platform can view this, or they can send out a URL that can be viewed by anyone in the public. But at the most basic level, IoT Connect is managing the underlying infrastructure of the Azure microservices, including IoT Hub, as that underlying technology for this IoT demo. And also that provides the interface to work with the app developers, creating more expansive experiences through mobile apps or Power BI, or being able to take that data into another Azure service. It's really those insights that are valuable and that we're really trying to drive by getting this demo connected. If you'd like to learn more, please click on the links in the blog post.